Welcome to Bill's Bridge class, Class 113, Don't, Part 1, Saturday, July 27th, 2013. Today we're going to start covering Marty Bergen's favorite convention, Don't, disturbing opponent's no trump. I suggest using it over a strong no trump opening, but you could use it over either one. Here we go. Don't, an acronym for Disturb Openers No Trump, Marty Bergen's favorite convention. It's a simple tool for competing against opponent's opening one no trump. I suggest you use it over opponent's strong one no trump opening. It's economical. The objective is to find a safe place to play at the 2 level. It is not focused on penalties as Hamilton Cappelletti Potty was in yesterday's class. The tool can be used in other situations which we'll cover in a day or two as well. 1 or 2 suited hands correspond to don't, and the concept of find a fit at the 2 level. The focus when you make this bid is to make the bid if you have suit strength and solidarity. Points don't count a lot. It's more about how good are the suit or suits in questions. What are the bids? See the next screen. All of the bids we're covering are alertable. What is a double? A double shows a 1-suited hand of 6 cards or more. It does not express what the suit is. It could be any suit. 2 clubs shows clubs plus a higher ranking suit, diamonds, hearts, or spade. You see the pattern forming here, I hope. 2 diamonds shows diamonds plus a higher ranking suit, hearts or spades. 2 hearts shows hearts and spades, while 2 spades shows spades. Well, what's the difference between the double and 2 spades? A double and then 2 spades is stronger than an initial 2 spade overcall. By the way, if you're going to bid at the 3 level, it's natural and preemptive, shows a long suit. Rather simple. You're going up the line trying to find a fit at the 2 level. That's the concept. Go through the paces of the various bids and responses. Your partner doubles a strong 1 no trump opener. The next hand passes. As advancer, what is your bid? The normal response is 2 clubs. It's a relay. It's alertable, and it asks partner to show his suit. He could pass if it's clubs, or he could bid 2 diamonds, 2 hearts, or 2 spades. It's alertable. If you bid a suit at the 2 level, 2 diamonds, 2 hearts, or 2 spades, you're showing an excellent 6-card suit. Remember, the partner is showing a 6-card suit himself, and a good 6-card suit. So don't bid 2 diamonds, 2 hearts, or 2 spades with a 5-card suit or with a poor 6-card suit. Trust partner. 2 no trump shows game interest and is forcing an alertable. 2 no trump responds to all of the original don't bids are all similar. They are forcing with somewhat different responses based on what the overcaller original bid was. And pass is possible, but only if you can set the hand yourself. If your partner is not making a penalty double, remember, he's showing a 1-suited hand. It may be poor in terms of high card points, but a good suit. Maybe you can guess what suit it is, but pass with care. The next thing that might happen is your partner doubles, but the next hand doesn't pass, either doubles, redoubles, or overcalls. What do you do? If right hand opponent redoubles, what are your bids? If you pass, you have a weak hand. Remember, partner showing a one-suited hand, and he is now able to bid it himself. If you bid a suit, you have an excellent suit. 2 no trump is game forcing and alertable. If right hand opponent overcalls, pass shows a weak hand. Again, partner has the opportunity to begin anyway. The double shows strength. It's not a penalty. It's point showing. And if you bid a suit, it shows an excellent suit. Common sense. How do you handle the bidding after the advancer bids 2 no trump, showing an interest in game? Here are the responses by overcaller. The overcaller shows the nature of his hands, and all bids are alertable. 3 clubs, 3 diamonds, or 3 hearts are natural. They show a minimum, with the suit that you're showing is a suit that's bid. 3 spades is non-minimum in hearts. 3 no trump is non-minimum in clubs or diamonds. A bid at the 4 level implies spades, and it also implies non-minimum, because with a minimum you would overcall initially 2 spades. So if you bid 4 clubs, 4 diamonds, or 4 hearts, you are doing an advanced Q bid. 4 spades says spades. Possible bid partner may make as an overcaller is 2 clubs. It shows clubs plus a higher ranking suit. If right hand opponent passes, then your possible bids are pass. You have 3 or more clubs. That's fine. 2 diamonds is a relay and ask partner to correct to his second suit. It's alertable. It does not necessarily show diamonds. 2 hearts shows an excellent 6-card suit. 2 spades shows an excellent 6-card suit. And 2 no trump, as in over a double, shows interest in game. It's forcing and alertable. The other possibility is 3 clubs, or even 4 clubs, I suppose, support, but no game interest. Okay, your partner's overcall of 2 clubs is doubled. What do you as advancer bid? Well, if you pass, it shows weakness, because overcaller, your partner can bid again. A redouble asks for the second suit and shows some form of strength. 2 hearts or 2 spades shows an excellent 6-card suit. 2 no trump shows interest in game, forcing and alertable, and we go to responses after that shortly. 3 clubs shows support in clubs but no game interest. We have the sequence where partner overcalls 2 clubs, the next over no trump, the next player overcalls. What do you as advancer bid? Again, a pass shows weakness. A double shows values, not necessarily penalty. 2 hearts, excellent 6-card suit. 2 spades, excellent 6-card suit. 2 no trump, interest in game, forcing and alertable. And 3 clubs shows support with no game interest. What happens after advancer bids 2 no trump? Rebids by the overcaller are as follows. 3 clubs shows a minimum but does not show the second suit. If the advancer wants to find out the second suit, he relays 3 diamonds, alertable, and it goes from there. If the overcaller bids 3 diamonds, 3 hearts, or 3 spades, he's showing non-minimum and he's showing his second suit. Pretty straightforward. We're working our way through the don't overcalls and the partners or the advancers bids. Tomorrow we're going to continue with 2 diamond overcall responses and go from there. See you then.